All right, sixth graders, this is to help you with question 8 on CR9. Says Terrian was about 3/8 of the way through a bag of popcorn when he decided to split the rest with a friend. About how much of the bag of popcorn did Terrian's friend get? All right. So let's first take this bag of popcorn and split it into eighths. It's about halfway. That's about halfway. Hopefully I'm going to end up splitting this into eighths. We'll check in a moment. All right, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so he was about 3/8 of the way through his bag. So he's this far through his bag. Then he sees his friend. His friend's like, hey, would you split that popcorn with me? He's like, all right, but I only have 5/8 of the bag left. And his friend's like, no worries. Even if you only have 5/8 left, let's just split that. So you're taking your 5/8 of the bag that's left, and you can get that if you want mathematically by taking 8/8, subtracting off the 3/8 that you ate. You got 5/8 left to split. And what are you going to do? You're going to divide that between you and a friend. So you're going to divide that by 2. 2 is the same as 2/1. You could find a common denominator to divide. You could draw a model, or we could skip, flip, and multiply. Drop, change, flip. Keep the first fraction, 5/8. Change the division to multiplication, and just take the reciprocal of that second fraction. So instead of 2/1, we get 1/2. Then we'd multiply straight across the top, straight across the bottom, and we'd get 5/16. But it says about how much of the bag. About how much of the bag? Well, instead of 5/16, let's turn this into a fraction that we can easily simplify. Let's just say that's really about 5/15. 5 out of 16 is pretty close to 5 out of 15. So if I simply change that denominator so it's a number that can easily be divided by 5, at that point I can simplify it. Divide top and bottom by 5, and we'll get 1/3. So each person gets about 1/3 of the bag. Okay, 5/16 is really close to 5/15. And that lovely word about says we can estimate. So instead of 16, make it a 15, then simplify that fraction. So they're each getting about 1/3 of the bag. Hope that helps.